Unlike the Galaxy Z Fold 4 or the Flip 4, we don't have much info about the Galaxy Watch 5 or Watch 5 Pro. Recently, we heard that Samsung might even ditch the classic variant and also its rotating physical bezel, and replace it with a premium Pro variant which will take the design cues from the Galaxy Watch 4 and will be uglier. Well, reliable leaker iOS Universe had previously indicated that the Watch 5 Pro will have very big bezels and it will be one of the most ugliest smartwatches in the market. And so much so that the leaker believes that the design gap between the Samsung smartwatch and the Apple smartwatch will grow even more. The Apple Watch series has a square design with very minimal bezels, so that's different directions. So maybe hearing iOS, you might feel bad. I mean, yeah, surely I do. But do keep this in mind that we still have to wait at least for a real-life hands-on leak or maybe an official release to consider whether it's bad, that bad, or it's not. Now, FCC's newest certification documents revealed via 95 Google showing a bunch of details on the three Galaxy products, getting model number SM-R900, R910 and R920. Now, because Samsung is dropping the classic lineup, the R900 refers to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, the standard one, and the R920 is to the Pro model. Now the most interesting part. Fast charging and big numbers are very common nowadays in the Android smartphone world. And many of those same companies who are also making smartwatches aren't taking any steps towards charging speed upgrade of the smartwatches. Not at all. Now, existing Galaxy smartwatches have up to 5-watt charging capabilities, and since there are no fast charging Galaxy smartwatches, existing chargers for the devices also top out at 5 watt. So now this 10-watt charging would be perfect. According to past leaks, the 40mm Watch 5 will be powered by a 276 mAh battery, which is about 12% larger than the 40mm Galaxy Watch 4's 247 mAh, while the 44mm model could get a 10% bump to 397 mAh, up from 361 in the Watch 4 44mm, whereas the Pro model is expected to have a massive 572 mAh battery, about 60% larger than the biggest battery on the Galaxy Watch 4 model, which is insane. And that can change the battery game of the smartwatches totally. Now the Apple Watch Series 7 needs around 45 minutes to top up, which is something we can also expect for the Galaxy Watch 5 and the Watch 5 Pro series, if not better. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and thank you for watching this long. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone, joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video, I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.